Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So right here, guys, we have a 2016 Ford F-150 that we'll demonstrate on. That's the truck we'll be working on. We have two fuse boxes, but for the telematics fuse, we'll need to open the fuse box that's located on the passenger side in the footwell by that kick panel. If you remove that plastic, guys, right there, you're going to see a fuse box, okay, that will look just like this one. Now, this is one of the fuse boxes. The other fuse box that we have is this one right here, and you can see those could be some Ford specific fuses relays that could be really hard to find, expensive, overpriced. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping. Check it out, that will be shared for your convenience. So let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse, guys, for the telematics, okay, everything looks good. You see, you start fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you go to fuse number 7 and you have those long fuses that look really weird, but if you pay attention, guys, this is actually a double fuse. Okay, for instance, this is number 5, then you go to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's a double special fuse right there. The fuse that we need to check for the telematics is fuse number 10. It's that fuse right here, but it's part of fuse number 11 actually. Okay, so that whole fuse will need to be changed if yours is. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.